Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CELZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. A very, very nice movement on the day, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out. First level is just coming from a previous annotation that I made and from a rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that watched the previous video, hopefully remember me talking about right around 0.0155 as resistance, but now that the price is above it, this would be one of the newest areas of support. Now, don't get me wrong though, if the price falls below that area of support, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But in the event the price can actually maintain up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. But as things stand right now, from more so a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line right here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to look something like this, give or take. So it's going to, move and draw itself and look something like that. So if you want to picture that as a trend line, that's perfectly fine. In fact, I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people. If you don't feel like drawing a trend line, just let the moving average draw it for you. And when you stop and think about it, again, I'm not saying this is how the price will react. The price would come all the way down here and then go all the way up there and then come all the way down here and then go all the way up here and then come all the way down here. And as you can see, yeah, the price's action is all over the place, but actually it's not all over the place because it just keeps on building higher bases. And as long as the price keeps on building higher bases like it's been doing, and if you want to picture these as stair steps, then overall the chart will take care of itself. So that's why I say if you use that purple line, it really does a good job of just simplifying the overall trend and the overall health of the current price movement. So as it stands right now, no doubt about it, very nice move today, great start to the week. So just keep an eye on that purple line, and as long as the price stays above it, the bulls are 100% in control.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.